Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
Where do you see yourself tomorrow or next week? What about tonight? Where would you like to be? Rewrite the rules of exploring where you can relax, laugh, visit, and travel on your time. Go where you want to go, when you want, in a 2020 Gemini from Thor Motor Coach. Because you're behind the wheel of a recreational utility vehicle, traveling could not be easier. All the features of the Gemini make it an easy and fun to drive motorhome, and inside, you have all the features you love about your home. You'll notice the headroom the 80-inch interior height gives you, and the Gemini delivers all the storage you want. The Euro-style cabinets hold what you need, and check this out, you even have a pull-out under the Dream Dinette. And when you're not sitting here, you may be sleeping here, as it easily converts into a bed. The 24SX offers theater seating when you feel like staying in and catching a movie on the TV. While it's playing, you can charge up your devices right here. Here's another great seating option, the swivel captain's chairs. Now there's plenty of room for guests. One of the great parts about traveling in a Gemini is being able to cook all your favorite meals while on the road. The kitchen features a large single bowl sink with cover, a handy flip-up countertop extension. You have a 2-burner gas cooktop with glass cover, convection microwave, and fridge. With either a flip-up full-size or flip-up queen-size mattress, there is nothing like sleeping in your own bed, no matter where you park for the night. You'll find USB ports in the nightstand to keep your devices full. The bedroom even features a TV. When you need room to get ready, simply flip the bed out of the way, and you'll find cushioned seating underneath. Check this out. The closets have pull-out valet rods, so no more digging to find your favorite shirt. Here's another great perk about being on the road in an RUV, using your own bathroom. In the Gemini, you have what you need. A shower with glass door, tankless hot water, stainless steel sink, and counter space for washing up, and a medicine cabinet. Some of those places you want to go may be nowhere near civilization. So the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot is standard on every Gemini. Now you can set up a safe, secure internet connection wherever you happen to be. Another piece of tech you'll be glad you have is Rapid Camp Plus. This is your all-in-one control center. Download the app and now you're set to control and monitor your Gemini from the full-color touchscreen or your favorite device. Control lights, slides, awnings, climate, vents, and fans. Monitor your tank levels and set the auto gen start for the propane or optional diesel generator. While we're opening bays, check out the large illuminated storage bays. Now think about what you are going to pack in here. Let's close those bays up and take a side-by-side look at your chassis choices. You have the Ford Transit with the 3.2-liter i5 Power Stroke turbo diesel with 185 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Or the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with the 3-liter V6, kicking out 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. Both are equipped with a 5,000-pound hitch. Some models have electric stabilizers. When you're on the road, the Gemini treats you right. You have a touchscreen infotainment center with satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, backup monitors, and navigation. You have heated remote mirrors, steering wheel mounted controls, and even a place for your favorite road trip refreshment. So you pull your solar prepped Gemini into a great spot like this. Now what? Maybe under the power patio, you pull up a couple of chairs. Hook up your grill to the exterior propane connection. You can watch TV or just sit, relax, and laugh because this is your time. This is the 2020 Gemini from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Gemini floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world. with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor motor coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?